Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create a hospital website using the Wix. So this is a well-designed hospital website that helps the patients find important information, book appointments, and learn about the services your hospital provides. So as you can see here, first thing you need to do here is to go to the wix.com, and if you don't have an account, you can click sign up and create one, and if you already have an account, you can simply log in. So here, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of this Wix Studio. So once you're here, guys, you'll be able to see different kinds of website that you can manage here. So what you're gonna do here next is go and look for create new site button. So here, as you can see here, and once you tap on this one, guys, you will be having different kinds of option here. But in this tutorial, we are going to use a template from this Wix Studio. So the Wix offers multiple hospital and medical templates that are pre-designed with pages, services, and contact details. You can search for hospital, clinic, or the medical to find a suitable template here. And you will be directed here. So here we are going to have a blank Canva here. So once you found this one, guys, you are going to put here your business name here. So here you can tap on that one and try to put it here, guys. So as you can see here, you can see here different kinds of sections. So when you click on this welcome section, guys, they will suggest you to have this design. So you can choose here, guys, depending on you. So here, you just need to tap on that one, guys. For example, to that one is this one. So the name of my hospital, guys, is the Kai Care Hospital. So what you need to do here is we are going to change the background. So if you're going to change the background, guys, make sure that you are going to use the pictures of your hospital. But in this tutorial, guys, I'm just gonna use a stock images from the Wix Studio. But in your case, guys, you need to use your own hospital, guys. So here I'm gonna use this one. So here you just need to upload this one, guys, change the background, and here the image is now changed. So in customizing your homepage, guys, you can click on the here. So as you can see here, you can change this one to your hospital name, and at the top, guys, you can also replace it with your welcoming address or your welcoming phrase. So here, for example, that one is for a calm and healing atmosphere. And here, so for example, that one is that one, changing the color of the font. So of course, guys, this is the first thing that the visitor see in your website. You can also go to add elements, guys, and in strip and in blank strip, resize it to cover the top portion of your site. And of course, guys, you add a high quality image of your hospital or the medical staff, a headline like this for a calm, healing atmosphere, and then a book and appointment button. For example, that one is the call to action button. Just need to change it, guys. So here I am changing the color, guys. And right after that one, guys, is as you can see here, the start now button. I am gonna change it, guys. So here, let's try to change again the media, guys, because it's not suitable. So for example, to that one is, so let's try to look for more. So I think I'm gonna use this one. So as I said a while ago, you can also use a picture of your staffs. So here it is, I think it is better. And here you can also adjust it, guys, by dragging it once. So here, as you can see here, this is a space to welcome visitors to the site. So here you can add a description wherein the visitors will be grab their attention, and then here, which is clearly states what site is about, and you can also add an engaging image or a video here. So here what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to change this one. So double tap on that one, and then I'm gonna change this into my description about my hospital here. So I'm gonna change also this one, this call to action button. I'm gonna change here. So depending on you guys, you can change it to book an appointment or contact now. So here. And right after that one, guys, is you can also create a section for the highlights your hospital services. So here you can go to add elements and then choose a 3-column layout to showcase your services. You can also add first the about your website, which is the story of your website. Here you can add an image here again and then change it into the story of your website here. This is a page to introduce visitors to the business or brand. So here is the output, guys. So here, right after that one is I think the services here. You can change it, guys, depending on you guys to arrange the sequence, guys. So here you can first is welcome, or I guess is the header, guys. Here, guys, you can also add a services here, which is the emergency care, general consultation, and then the surgery and treatment. You can also add a booking form, guys, to allow the patients to book appointments. Go to add elements, forms, and payments, book appointments, and drag it onto the page. Customize the form by adding fields for patient name, contact information, preferred date and time, and the doctor's name drop-down selection. Here, you can also make sure, guys, that the appointment requests are sent to your hospital's official email. You can click the form, go to settings, and enter your email address there. And right after that one, you can also add a contact page so the patients can find your hospital easily. And also, guys, you can add a simple contact form with fields for name, email, and then the message. This will allow the patients to send inquiries directly from the website. You can also go to the Google Maps, guys, to help patients locate your hospitals. Go to add elements, Google Maps, and enter your hospital's address. This will display a map on your contact page here. And since most users browse on their phones, guys, let's optimize the website for mobile. And click the mobile view icon and Wix. And here, let's try to publish it, guys. So let's gonna change this one. So at the top right corner, guys, click the publish button, and here, guys, as you can see here, you just need to tap on the view site. Right after that one, guys, once you tap on that one, you have successfully built a hospital website from scratch using the Wix. So these will help patients access important information, book appointments, and stay connected with your hospital. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more website building, guys, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!